Here's a 2015 Ford Focus. You'll love driving this Focus. A sleek design and interior craftsmanship combine for a perfect balance of great looks, efficiency, and performance. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, multifunction steering wheel, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and manual transmission. Kelley Blue Book reports the Focus has undergone a clean sheet recasting that brings a new look, enhanced quality, more features to a slightly larger package that's far more compelling both visually and dynamically. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Flood Ford, we want to be the best dealer in Southern New England. Swing by and see us today at one of our convenient locations.